Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your YouTube TV viewing area. This is important because YouTube TV uses your home location to determine which local channels you get. If you move, travel, or just want to see different local content, you'll need to know how to update this. In this video, we'll cover two main scenarios: changing your home area permanently and temporarily while traveling. We'll walk you through the steps on different devices, like your computer and mobile phone. So, let's get started. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, let's start with changing your home area permanently. This is what you'll do if you've actually moved to a new location. Scene: screen recording of a computer browser showing YouTube TV website. First, you'll need to access YouTube TV on a computer. This setting can only be changed on the web. So, open your browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Next, sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Now, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see different options on the left-hand side. Click on Location. Here, you'll see your current home area. To change it, click on Update. YouTube TV will then ask you to confirm your new location. You might be prompted to allow YouTube TV to access your location. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your new home area. They'll usually use your IP address or ask you to confirm your zip code. Once confirmed, your home area will be updated, and you'll start receiving local channels for that region. Scene: screen recording of a mobile phone showing YouTube TV app. Now, let's talk about what to do when you're traveling. YouTube TV allows you to watch local channels from your home area while traveling, but there are some limitations. While traveling, you can usually watch local channels of the area you're visiting, but this might not always be the case. Sometimes, you'll only be able to access your home area channels. To ensure you're getting the correct local channels, make sure your location services are enabled on your mobile device. This helps YouTube TV verify your current location. Unfortunately, you can't manually set a temporary location within the YouTube TV app. YouTube TV uses your device's location to determine which local channels to show. Keep in mind that YouTube TV has travel restrictions. You can only use YouTube TV outside of your home area for a limited time, typically around 30 days. After that, you'll need to log in from your home area to maintain access. Scene: back to the talking head. So that's how you change your YouTube TV viewing area, both permanently and temporarily while traveling. Remember that you need to use a computer to change your permanent home location. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We try to answer all of them. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. See you in the next video.